Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when there's an error that has occurred when you're trying to launch a game. So if you cannot start the application, go up to settings right here, go to account management, and then go to restore licenses. And this is if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses. So you can go to restore right here, and you can see if that fixes your issue. And it's just going to download the licenses back to your PlayStation. And a lot of times, this occurs when there's like a lock symbol next to your game or something like that. Now, another thing that you could try doing is to rebuild the database on your PlayStation. So we can go to power and go to turn off and completely turn off our PlayStation 4. Now locate a USB cable just like this and plug it directly into the controller and wait for the power to go off right here and there's no light on it. And hold down the power button. And hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will hear one beep, and then you will hear another beep like 10 seconds later. Go ahead and let go. Now the controller should be charging. Press the PlayStation button. It should be like a light blue. Use the D-pad to operate the safe mode menu and select with X. Now go down to option number 5, rebuild database. It says it may take a few hours, so I'm going to go to OK. But in my experience, it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to rebuild the database. It's going to restart your PlayStation 4 and then bring you to a screen that gives you an estimated amount of time of how long this is actually going to take to complete it. But if you have any kind of corrupted data, this should go ahead and fix that issue, and your PlayStation should be running a little bit quicker. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.